This is the question related to the conservation of momentum actually. It shows a particle which is exploding into two. So one is heavier and one is lighter. And the question asked which of among them will have higher energy. Will it be the lighter particle or will it be the heavier particle? So the answer to this lies in the principle of conservation of momentum. So before before explosion, what happens here is before explosion we have got UA equal to 0. It is the initial velocity of body A, and we also have UB is equal to 0. This gives us the total initial momentum as, so it is a total initial momentum will be equal to mass of A UA plus mass of B UB equal to it is mass of A 0 plus mass of B then again 0, which will be equal to 0. Now according to the law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum should be equal. So that means our total final momentum here, which we will write as MA VA plus MB VB, this should also be equal to this, which means our equation here will be MA VA plus MB VB should be equal to 0, which ultimately gives us MAUA is equal to MBVB, and we have got minus here. So if we write the magnitude only, just magnitude, then it will be, so if I write a magnitude wise, it will just be MAUA is equal to MBUB. So if I write it in shortcut, it will give us PA is equal to PB. Now, the relation between momentum, this is the linear momentum, and the kinetic energy it will have is, we have P is equal to root of twice m into KE. So here, we will have here, instead of PA, if I substitute this thing into this, we will have root of twice MA into KEA will be equal to root of twice MB into KEB. So if you remove this root and we also cancel this 2, we will have somewhat like this. We will have from here to here KE at A into MA will be equal to KEB into MB, which will give us KEA by KEB is equal to MB by MA. So the ratio, the kinetic energy will have some sort of reverse or inverse relationship with mass. We can write here as KE is proportional to 1 by m. So universally we can write the K is inversely proportional to the mass of the body during explosions actually. So that means if the mass is heavy or m is more, then KE will be less, and if the mass is less, then the KE will be more. So that means higher KE will be possessed by the smaller mass. So this is often used in lots of engineering experiments or even practical use, because during explosions they fill the material, they cover the material with some small masses to make it more effective in destroying things.